everyone, in this video we're gonna learn the various other commands in Linux. First we'll come across the echo command. Echo command in Linux is used to display the line of text or string that are passed as an argument. This is a built-in command that is mostly used in shell scripts and batch files to output status text to the screen or a file. Now our next command is chmod. In Unix-like operating system, the chmod command is used to change the access mode of a file. The name is an abbreviation of change mode, so chmod is an abbreviation of change mode. In chmod, that is change mode, we have operators and modes. The operator is used to specify how the modes of a file should be adjusted. Like if we have a plus operator, it describes that adds the specified modes to the specific classes. If we have minus operator, it removes the specified modes from the specific classes. And if you have equal to operator, the modes specified are the mode specified are to be made the exact modes for the specified classes. And for the modes, we have permissions like R, W and X. R stands for permission to read the file, W stands for the permission to write or delete the file, and X permission is to execute the file. Now first of all, I'll just create an executive file. So just write touch python.py. Also we can add up multiple files, so touch AA, BB and CC. Also we can make directories, so we can also make directories like A1, B1, C1, and if we ls, we'll see list of files and directories like a.txt, AA, BB, CC and A1, B1, C1. Now I want to change mode of python.py to full executive mode, so chmod plus x python.py. If we hit enter and ls, we'll see the Python color has been changed to an executive file with full permissions. Next, chmod 777, which means the full permission has been given to AA. Even if you do ls, and we'll see that AA has been changed mode. I mean it is having the full executive mode. Also for multiple files to get the full permission, just write chmod plus x and star and hit enter.